hey, we have to reschedule you. Fine. We reschedule a week later. Same thing happens again. Hey, we have to reschedule you. Okay, fine. So obviously this is clickbait, and if you want to keep scrolling, but there's an interesting story, and if you want to hear it, keep watching. Obviously this Tesla Model X wasn't free, but I have been driving it around for a couple days and it's been an amazing car. All right, let's just get to the story. I took my Tesla Model Y in for service. If you guys haven't watched my previous video, I basically was trashing Tesla for all the issues that it's been having, or all the quality, bad quality, and all that kind of stuff, so I can get it fixed. I took it down to the service center and they gave me this. I want to show you guys the coolest thing about this. These Falcon doors are so sick. Real quick, I just want to appreciate the stance of this car. This thing is so sick. The way it sits with the Falcon doors, it looks so cool. All right, back to a crappy built Model Y. What happened? I posted a video about a couple weeks ago, basically stating that the Model Y has just been having issues, and I just don't like what I've been seeing with the 2023 Tesla Model Y. I hope you're watching this, Elon. Probably not, but anyways. It's been pretty annoying. It's been pretty annoying to deal with the Tesla Model Y and its quality issues and things that can easily be fixed in the factory. Oh, you guys don't have to go watch that video. Basically, I'll just give you a recap. I talked about quality issues that I've been having with my specific Model Y. I've been talking about the extra costs that you have to incur after you get the vehicle. I will probably actually make a video about incurring costs after you get a Tesla. I'll make a video about that soon. My cousin actually brought that up to me. He just got a brand new Model 3 and he's the one who brought it up to me, and he didn't even realize it. And I didn't really realize it either, but it's pretty interesting. So the Model Y, its issues that I've been having, they gave me this car because I took it to Tesla service, and this service center has been great. I want to tell you guys what happened. A month ago, I scheduled another service for this car. So I hit them up. Hey, I'm still having the same window issues, whatever. I went into the Tesla app. I scheduled a service appointment. All right, service appointment comes up soon. They say, hey, we have to reschedule you. Fine. We reschedule a week later. Same thing happens again. Hey, we have to reschedule you. Okay, fine. And then I go in after the third time, and basically the night before or the day of, I don't remember, they canceled my service request. Just completely canceled it and didn't tell me anything. That is wild. So I just scheduled at another service center. I took it there. They were great. Honestly, best customer service I have felt at Tesla over these last few years. This specific service center that I've been going to, not so great. I don't want to mention where. Some of the people there were nice. Some people were just kind of like, eh. But I don't know who's running these service centers. One of them was a great experience a few times that I've been there, and the other has just been terrible. So with that being said, I really want to thank Tesla of Alhambra here in Southern California. They have been great. I showed up. They took care of me really quick. They gave me this Model X, which has been phenomenal. It's been a really cool car to drive. But the one thing I will say is the quality is like not that much better than a Model Y, honestly. This thing has like 45,000 miles and it's not that much better, honestly. It's creaking every now and then when you're driving it around. I just don't think it has the same quality as the competitors in its group. The Model X is really cool, especially with the Falcon doors. But is it worth an extra 30,000-40,000 compared to the Model Y? I don't think so. It's a little bit different in terms of how wide it is and space. I feel like as if it's a little bit bigger for sure, like a kind of small real SUV, a lower to the ground SUV type. It's been great. I've been enjoying it the last couple days. But anyways, back to the Model Y again. I am gonna go back now. I'm gonna give this car back and get my car. And so when I do that, I wanna update you guys on how it went, how things are going with the car, if they've actually fixed everything. But I want to go get my Model Y now, so let's go do that so I can keep you guys updated on the issues and if they've been resolved. All right, guys, we just got the Model Y back. We're going to take a quick drive. Let's see if the noises are still there, the rattling and all the things that have been going on and all the issues while driving. I hope not. All right, guys, here we go. I think it's gone. The rattling and the noises, I think, are gone. Typically I was able to hear them right away as soon as I was driving. Even if it wasn't a bumpy road, you could still kind of hear the rattling and moving around. The back noise, didn't hear anything. The front, apparently it was the trim piece right here. It was loose. I did drive around with the Tesla tech to see where the noise was coming from, and he was moving the front panel around, and I think it was actually the trim piece, the wood trim piece, that was giving the issue of the rattling. And the back had something to do with the hatch. Yeah, nothing. All right, so the window typically was showing as open when it was actually closed, and they fixed that so far. Let's see if that holds. And then this trim piece was actually off. They fixed that as well. And let's see over time if the windows are actually not going to spaz out and if they're actually fixed. Again, if you guys have not seen the video of where I actually showed all the issues, we went and drove around. I showed you specific videos of all the issues that were occurring on the car. Go watch the video. I can only explain so much.
All right, guys, so we're back home. I want you to take a look at the emblem. The issue was this piece was loose and it cracked this in half, and they replaced it for me free of charge. They did not charge me at all for that.
With that being said, we have finally went through everything. It seems like they fixed most of the issues. It doesn't seem like I've experienced any of the issues just yet. If I do, I will be posting about it. I will keep you guys updated. But for now, it's been really good. So keep up for updated videos. I will be posting very shortly. Have a good day.